The freighting industry is experiencing an endless growth like never before. Managing this growth has been a tedious process with existing problems such as lack of digitization, inefficiency in logistics operation, and escalation in fleet expenses. As a solution, VAMOSYS, leader in fleet management and telematics, introduces FleetOS, a new-gen 360-degree fleet management system. Through digitized processes, we eliminate inefficiencies caused by human negligence. FleetOS comes with built-in features that enables you to create trips and assign drivers, track vehicles via GPS and SIM network through driver app, digitize the records of vehicle and driver lists, receive periodic updates from the driver, reduce fleet operator dependence by giving 100% transparency to clients, manage all trip-related expenses. With FleetOS, you can experience effortless fleet operations in a single dashboard. Moreover, we bring drivers into the digitization process through a universal driver app with language-agnostic design, enabling accurate communication between drivers and fleet operators. Contact us now to achieve maximum efficiency and increase your fleet size with a little help from FleetOS. We make fleet management easy.